I don't really know what that's called. So to get here, all I did was Googled Chrome web store, if I can type today. And you click on Chrome Web Store and you're here. And so once you get here, you can do a couple of things in order to find an accessibility feature like this. You could simply search accessibility, and that'll give you some different extensions to add to your Chrome browser. A lot of these are for like color themes. Some people, they're able to see a little bit better when the contrast is different. So like in this one, it looks like it's a very dark background with a very bright font and so forth. And so those can be some different ones. There's probably more if you were to click on more themes for accessibility. The one I'm going to go to for a little bit more guided is speech to text. Or sorry, text to speech rather. Okay, so the one that I downloaded that I really like is Read Aloud. And so this one, you would click on it and normally it would say install to Chrome. I already installed it, it's right here. Once you install it, it should show up in this sidebar. And so what it does is if I were to go to another page and look up something random like, we'll do Wiki Washington State University. And once I want a page like this, what you can do is click on this little extension. And it should...
Washington State University, not to be confused with Wayne State University, Wichita State University, or University of Washington.
So you can see it'll start reading it for you. And this is nice. This one highlights the sentence rather than the word. There are some apps that you can find that actually highlight the whole word. Okay, the other feature I wanted to show you is the opposite, which would be speech to text rather than text to speech. And this is a feature I want to show you for using Google Docs. And so you can pull up any kind of Google Docs. This is just a blank document. And what you do is you click on Tools, which is 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6 to the right here at the top, Tools. You're going to click on it, and you're going to go all the way down to Voice Typing. And so here all you need to do is click on this symbol and start speaking. And it should be able to translate what you're saying into the words on the Word document. It's not always very accurate. Sometimes it messes up. You might have to go back to edit, but in general, it does a pretty good job. So that's pretty cool. Okay, so those are just some ways that you can add some accessibility features to your internet browsing and also on tools that we use often in class.